Number 21205. It's a Zimmerman SawMill, mobile. Took that panel off and got bombarded with waspers, but you can tell this thing's never been used. Lady that owns it now, her husband passed away. He bought it to use it here on the farm and passed away before he was able to use it, so she's just trying to make room in the barn. It's got the Vanguard 35 horsepower motor. Someone left the key on, so the battery's dead, but should fire right up and run fine. Everything's new on it. You can tell it hasn't had, maybe rolled back and forth just a couple times here, probably just to try it out. I don't even, but everything looks to be new. Comes with an extra box of blades. I think these are the dogs to hold the logs, and another box of steel bands. Pretty nice setup. We'll be selling this unit on our online equipment auction at SextonAuctioneers.com. Check it out.